Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Borer from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for August 27th, 2019. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. We did open the day higher, but fizzled out from there, especially sort of midway through the day after the yield curve slide deepened, and by the end of it, we were lower. The Dow was down 120 points. The S&P 500 was down by 9. There it is there. Also has a bearish engulfing pattern, which again indicates more downside to come. The Nasdaq 100 was down almost 27 points, while the Russell 2000 was lower by almost 20 points today. The bond market continues to show strength here, and the yields continue to drop. The 10 years at 1.475%, while the 2-year is now at 1.522%. So that gap widens there. And the 30-year closed below 2% today. It's at 1.952%. Again, those are indicators of an upcoming recession, which is what puts pressure on equities. Crude snapped a 4-day losing streak here. And did gain $1.29 at the official close, or 2.4%, while gold continues to soar here, hitting a new high, and it was higher by $15.30 today, or 1%. The US dollar was fairly flat, which was a bit of a surprise today, but held its own. Now, early this morning, we also got news that Philip Morris and Altria are in talks to merge, and that caused not only a big swing in these two stocks, but huge volume. Here's Philip Morris, and obviously it has been dropping for a while, and today's news was not received well by the markets and deepened that loss. It looks like we're on our way to at least 64 right now, and Philip Morris there, here it is on the monthly, and if we don't hold the 64, obviously it looks like we're going much lower. Let's take a quick look at Altria MO. There it is. Look at that move today. Big swing. Initially big move higher, and then gave it all back and then some. Huge spike in volume here. You look at the weekly chart, and we're heading lower. That is an ugly bar there for the weekly. So far in the monthly, there it is. More importantly, if we look from this level here, which it's already below, there's not a whole lot of support holding it up until at least 35, 36 area. So looks like there's more pain to come here. Okay. Again, subscribe. Click the subscribe button below and click the notification bell. That way you will not miss any more of these videos. And if you're enjoying them, please share them with your friends. But that's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on our next update.